Welcome to Prime Childcare Software Training. Today we're going to go over the Ohio TAP integration with Prime. To begin with, you need to get the export file from TAP. To do that, you're going to go log into your KinderConnect page and you're going to select Reports. And by the way, I can't show you this because we're not a childcare provider. We do provide software, but we do not actually have a daycare. So I'm going to walk you through these steps, but I can't show you anything because we don't have a login. From reports, you're going to select the daily detailed attendance report. You're going to choose the start and end dates for the report. And then at the bottom, you're going to choose for output type, you're going to choose CSV, that's Charlie Sierra Victor. Then you're going to click on the view button at the bottom. Once you click the view button, you're going to see the attendance records for the date range that you picked at the bottom. With that showing, click on the export button and that will create a CSV file and download it to your computer. From there, you will go into Prime, go into Data, tap Verify Check-ins. From Verify Check-ins, you'll press the Browse button, go to the file that you just downloaded, and click Verify Times. Once you click Verify Times, the system will pull in the information from that TAP file and show it here in the TAP Times. And it will also show the corresponding check-in and out times in Prime for those children. You'll want to look this over. A couple of things as far as the action column. When it says add, that means that since there is no Prime check-in time record for this child for that day, then the times for TAP are going to be created in Prime. If it says OK, that means that the Prime time and the TAP time are close enough that there is no reason to overwrite the Prime time. If it says adjust, that means that there is a Prime time and a TAP time, and in this case for JJ that's a checkout on the 27th, and so in Prime we have a checkout time of 4:16 in the afternoon, and TAP has a checkout time of 6:02 p.m. So what's going to happen is the Prime checkout record of 4:16 is going to get changed to the TAP time of 6:02. In your file, if you see in the Verify Check-in screen a no match, that means that child does not, child that's in the TAP file does not match a child in your system. In this case, Meredith Campbell is misspelled on Ohio's side. So if I process this file, nothing is going to happen to Meredith Campbell's check-in records because in my system, Meredith is spelled D-I-T-H and in TAP it's D-E-T-H. So that's just telling you there's no match for that student in the system. Nothing's going to happen to these particular records. So once you've looked at this, then you're going to go and click Apply Adjustments. This is going to adjust the time records in the system. And you can go verify for a student. Let's say we'll take John Adams on the 25th at 13:02. We were going to add. So let's go look at John Adams. And John Adams on the 25th at 1:02. There's that time we added. The other thing you can do with the Ohio TAP integration is logs are created every time you process one of those files. So I can then go back and look and see what I just processed should I ever need to go back and look. So it's not like it's one and done and then you can't go back. And in this case, you can go back and look at it. And that is the Ohio tap integration in Prime.